In this tutorial video, we will be going over the basics of color theory by using markers. On this color key, you can see a list of different colors. We're going to focus on this middle circle. We're going to talk about the primary colors, which is red, yellow, and blue. These colors cannot be mixed in order to make them. So what we're going to do first is we're going to take the red, yellow, and blue and color them all the way in. Now that we have the primary colors filled in, we're going to go ahead and move on to our secondary colors. Secondary colors are created by mixing two primaries together. So for example, if we were working with paint and we wanted to create purple, we would mix blue and red together. Purple is also known as violet. Now let's move on to two other colors, yellow and red. If we were to mix yellow and red together, we would get orange. Go ahead and grab your orange marker and fill in the box. Finally, let's move to our last secondary color, green. We create green by mixing blue and yellow together. So go ahead and grab that green marker and color in our last box. Now that we know which colors are primary and secondary, let's move on to identifying which of these colors are cool and warm. You can think of cool colors as the ocean or sky, where warm colors are think about the sun. The sun is warm, so that would be red, orange, and yellow. Go ahead and grab your marker and let's fill in the cool colors: purple, blue, and green. Now fill in the warm colors: red, orange, and yellow. Okay, now we're going to talk about complementary colors. Complementary colors are opposite on the color wheel. So red is opposite of green, blue is opposite of orange, and violet or purple is the opposite of yellow. Now that we know those combinations, let's go ahead and color these in. The complement of red is green, the complement of violet or purple is yellow, and the complement of blue is orange. All right, let's talk about analogous colors. Analogous colors are a group of colors that are next to each other in the color wheel. So for example, blue and red are next to violet or purple. That would be analogous colors. Let's start off by selecting 3 different colors and putting them in the middle box. In this case, I chose purple, orange, and green. Okay, let's start off with purple. The 2 colors next to it are blue and red. Those will be the analogous colors. So go ahead and fill those in. Now we're going to take a look at orange. The 2 colors next to it are red and yellow. For green, the 2 colors next to it are blue and yellow. All right, good job. Now we have this whole worksheet finished. We have primary and secondary colors. We have cool colors, warm colors, complementary colors, and analogous colors.